Adding a watermark to your video in Premiere Pro is simple and a great way to personalize or protect your content. Let's walk through the steps. First, make sure you have your logo or watermark file ready. Drag it into your timeline and place it on a track above your main video. If you want the watermark to stay visible throughout the video, extend the duration of the logo clip to match the length of your video. Now, select the logo clip and head over to the Effect Controls panel. If your logo has a solid black background, you can make it transparent by adjusting the blend mode. Open the drop-down menu under Blend Mode and try options like Screen or Multiply until the background disappears. Next, you'll want to position the watermark. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the position settings by dragging the values or clicking and dragging the logo directly in the program monitor. Common placements are in the bottom right or top right corners, but you can put it wherever works best for your video. To resize the watermark, use the scale controls in the same panel. Reduce the size so it's noticeable but not distracting. Finally, adjust the opacity to make the watermark less prominent. A setting between 30% and 50% works well for most cases, but you can tweak it based on the look you're going for. Once you're happy with the placement, size and transparency, play back your video to make sure it looks the way you want. The watermark will now stay on your video for the entire duration. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.